Residents and friends of Montserrat, greetings. Today marks the 7th day since the island recorded its first case of the coronavirus. And the good news is we have not registered any more since. But while I cannot guarantee you that there will be no more cases in the coming days or weeks, I can assure you that your government will not lay down its guards, and so must you. On Thursday, March 19th, new measures were put in place. A 14-day mandatory self-isolation period was introduced for every passenger coming into the island, and gatherings in excess of 25 is also prohibited. These are in addition to the health advisory put out by the Ministry of Health in relation to proper hygiene and social distancing. These, my fellow countrymen, are all designed to keep you, the population, safe and to reduce the spread of COVID-19. And if the situation changes, so will be these measures. I'm aware that many businesses and individuals will experience some level of hardship as a result of this virus and its potential spread. To this end, I have met with members of the private sector on Friday last, and my team held discussion with financial institutions on Ireland. And together, we are working to see how best we can cushion any economic impact which the present situation will cause. In addition to the medical supplies promised by the United Kingdom, I've also alerted DFID on the possible economic fallout which will occur and the need for stimulus package to assist businesses and possible income support for persons in the private sector who have lost their jobs or persons who are sick and need to stay at home without an income. Government workers are still at work and will continue to do so. Provisions are put in place to facilitate flexi working hours for some of them who have children at home. As a result, the public may experience slight delays in the deliverable of some services. I ask that you be patient as we try to manage this crisis. I met with representatives of the private sector last Friday, and while government does not have control over the operations, I urge the business community to be sympathetic to their workers and vice versa, recognizing that we must all work together for the good of each other. Today, I admonish all of us to be positive in our thinking and do not allow fear and fake news to overtake us. We are in this together, and together we will come out victorious if only we adhere to the measures which are in place and the information provided by the health authority. We continue to advocate social distancing, that is at least 6 feet between each other. Avoid close contact with one another who has coughing and fever. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, or use an alcohol-based sanitizer. When coughing or sneezing, cover your mouth or nose with a tissue or your flexed elbow and dispose of the tissue immediately and wash your hands. Remember to protect the vulnerable in whatever way you can. Do take care of yourself and families. May God bless us all.